Hi guys, how you doing? I hope you've had a good couple of weeks. There's been some really good work, and there's been some careless work in the first few weeks. So I hope those of you who are doing good work continue, and those of you who have been handing in perfunctory work can get it going. So your first paper is due on Thursday, and I'm very proud of it. I think it'll really help you learn how to drop in quotes. And I think it's also good self-explanatory paper. I'm really proud of it. I came up with it myself. I've been doing it for about 5 years. I put in a model of it in the contents under essay 1, so you should definitely read that and try to emulate it. So I also put up in the announcements the exact criteria for it. So the way the paper works is you're going to answer 3 questions. Where are you now? How did you get here? And where do you want to be? You have to write 6 pages on this. 6 full pages, not 5 1/4, not 5 1/2, 6 full pages, plus your works cited page. And what you're going to do is you're going to take a song, you can pick any song, and you're going to put the lyrics of the song throughout the paper. Each paragraph, which of course in my class is 5 to 6 sentences, you're going to add at least one part of the lyrics of the song, one quote. So this really teaches you how to drop in quotes. You're going to do that for all the paragraphs except for the 2 paragraphs about the artist. In those 2 paragraphs, you're going to use 2 sources. One's going to be from any journal, any newspaper, any magazine, and the other has to be a peer-edited journal. So if you did the 5 to 6 quizzes, you'll know what I'm talking about. If you're not, do the 5 or 6 quizzes. Also, you can go online with the library or go in the library and they'll help you. So one journal article, any type of journal, New York Times, Billboard magazine, the other one has to be peer-edited. You'll see it on my paper, the 2 I did about Eminem. Eminem's the artist that I use. So you should start in medias res, and medias res means in the middle. So you'll notice I didn't start my paper. I was born June 19th, 1970, at St. Vincent's Hospital in Manhattan, and I grew up on Mulberry Street. I did not start it like that. I started it with an event that happened, and how I dealt with that event, and how dealing with that event places where I am today and what I'm trying to do. Again, this will make a lot more sense once you read my paper. You are to include not only the paper, you are also to include the lyrics of the song that you use. One song only. I don't care how bad your song is. I have my opinions about what's good music and what's bad music. I don't grade on the quality of music you use, but it's much easier to do this assignment if you use a quality song with deep lyrics. If you use a pop song or a song with very limited lyrics, it's going to be tough to find 15 quotes from it because you'll have about 14 or 15 paragraphs that you have to put in a different quote for each one. I know this sounds confusing, but once you read my paper, I think you're going to get a good grasp of what I'm asking for. Be sure that your paper looks exactly like the model in the Diane Acker book for the MLA. I won't accept it if it doesn't. That's everything from the page numbers to the formatting, the heading, the title, the works cited page. It has to be exact. I know you're saying, why does this guy care this much? I care because when you hand in papers the rest of your college career, you will be at such an advantage if your paper looks like a college paper. And this is the last class that you ever have to take in writing, so you got to get this down now. So again, look at the model that I give you, and hit me up if you have any questions, and good luck. Okay, bye-bye.